Ni hao, good morning. Today is my last day and we're going for shopping today. And I'm going to Wolf and Hoop shopping district. So, I don't know. We will see if what we're gonna we will see what we're gonna buy today. Kasi mura lang daw doon. Okay. I'll catch you up later. I'm going to the I'm going to the MRT station, going to Songshan. So from Songshan, it's around like 5 minutes walk, going to the market. I'll catch you up later. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh my gosh. I wake up late today. I think it's 10 o'clock because I need to sleep more. And my feet are soaring. Kalain mo, because of the tour yesterday, we have a lot of walking tours. Diba? Tapos umakyat pa kami sa bundok. Anyway, catch you up later, guys. So, ito yung nilalakaran ko ngayon. Can you imagine? Ako lang yung naka-short. Kahit, meron man ako nakitang isa, pero still manageable. Like, for today's weather today is cloudy and 17 degrees centigrade. Kaya rin, tinan mo yung ugly. Alas. Oh my God. Tinan mo ang aga. Hindi naman na maaga kasi it's already 10. It's a busy street already. Diba oh? I did not make any video in Dodon Key yesterday. And I went home like... Oh, sige. Kasi ako dito kakagabi. Nawawala kasi ako. Buti na lang there is a Google Map or Apple Map which is helping me to get where. Okay, I need to see my map. Ayun, naka-short. At least may naka-short. Sana ba ako? And you know what? It's a good thing that my hostel is very near to Simending area because you know that Simending is way too far than better for me. It has everything here, especially in the night. It has everything here. My hostel, I'm gonna feature my hostel later on. It's called Minder Hostel, and what I hate most is they are very strict in the check-in. So I waited like 3 p.m. My gosh, but Gina is very accommodating. Ito bumili ako ng pasalubong. Ayan, malapit na ako. Malapit na ako sa Shimen Station. Where can I? Okay. Nag-pop up na yung ano ko. Philippine Airline. I need to be checked in. So malapit ako sa Shimen Station. Malapit po pala. Mani, no. Yung Shimending area. Diba? Madilim kasi parang bukas lahat ang mga ilaw. H&M. So I'm here. This is Shimen Station. And so I'll catch you up later, guys. Ayan pala. Dadaanan ko pala yung Rainbow, Chorba. Welcome to Taipei. This is Shimen Station. So I'm here in the Shimen Station. So according to my Google Map, you need to ride the green line for the Songshan. It will take, I think, 28 minutes to travel. I don't know, my AC card will be like expired. I don't know if it still have this one, but I will try. May pagano'n pa pala. Merong masarap dito na Mr. Donut. I don't know if I can try it, but Later on, when I get home, I can try that one. Makapal kasi yung bag ko kasi andito yung Don Don Kina bag. So, whenever you came to Korea, they save the Mother Earth. Like, Korea, no, Taiwan, it's like, you need to, when you go for shopping, you need to bring bag. Okay. I'll talk to you later on. I'm so, like, hingal-hingal now. Diba? Hanggang, charing. Ayan, we're here and so itatap natin baka meron pa ito. 81. Sorry, balik ka. So, Sunshine Lines. I'll be traveling to Sunshine Line. This one. I feel it for man. It will be masakit yung pa ako sa sapatos. So, from Sunshine, I think it's here. Yeah. I think I'll go here. I'll check my Google Map. I'll keep you updated. Daming tao. Ayun, dito na. Yeah, it's here. Let's go. Nag-ilaw. Ilaw ba yun? Ano ba to? Parang senior citizen naman pinilang. Ano naman? So it's here, Sunshine. Senior Sunshine. So next stop is Sunshine. This is my last leg. Kasi be careful, if you're traveling to Sunshine, because there is a discrepancy. I don't know if it's discrepancy. Because if you take like Zongshan, be careful kasi yung Zongshan, hindi yun lang pupuntahan mo. So, Wolf and Ho is Zongshan, letter S. Doon kayo bababa. So, just to remind you guys, nandito pa rin ako sa trains. Our next step, our travel like 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. So, Zongshan G19. So, I'll be exit 4E. Okay, Sunshine. Seems like everyone is departure here, and yeah. So I'm gonna exit 4A. So let's see. Sorry. So very disciplined dito. So this is the line kung hindi ka nagmamadali. So dito naman yung line if you're in a rush, like. So exit 4A. So going there. So diretso lang. Yeah, 4A. Diretso lang ako doon. So i-follow lang natin yung mga madaming tao. So let's see kung how much it costs pa. Ayan, so di doon ng 4A. Yeah. It's very near. Then I need to walk like 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes to reach the Wolf and Ho shopping district. And Wolf and Ho kasi is like very cheap compared to Ximending. Why? It's 25 na lang. I think I need to top up my... Oh, this is for... So I need to top up my T-Pass. Ay, ito pala. Magta-top up ako kasi I think I only have like $25 and TD. Or are encouraged to use ticket when purchase. Paano ba ito? Place easy card if the sensor zone or selection. Ah, okay. Ganyan. Ganyan ba? Ah, ganyan. Okay. Processing, please wait. English. Okay. Oh, my balance is 56. Maximum top up amount is 9,944. Are you serious? What? No, I can't. No change given. Okay, so, tingnan natin kung i-top up natin. Top up. This insert card. Processing. Pwede siyang dito, sensor, tsaka pwede siyang i-insert card. English. So, mag-insert tayo ng like $100 bill. Tingnan nga natin if it's working. Saan ako mag-i-insert? So, here. Ayan. Okay, next step. I think while you please do not remove your card. Okay. Should I print receipt? So, print receipt. Kailangan kasi ano. So, ito yung resibo. Okay, let's... Okay. So, nakapag-top up na tayo. So, we have already top up 100, so 56. Okay. It's not finished. So, we're here. Ayan, 4A. Mag-exit tayo ng 4A. So, we're going to find the 4A. Yeah, 4A is going left. And then, we're gonna walk like 3 to 4 minutes until we reach our destination. Oh gosh, that's very simple. You know, hindi ka mawawala dito sa Taiwan or any country that you were going to visit unless you know how to read English, you know how to read the instructions. Right? So the 4A is going right. Right? Even though, kasi ang maganda kasi, in every airport, like for example, you're a foreigner and you need to like, in every foreigner, you need to like, there's a like, for this one, hindi mo maintindihan. Pero may mga signboard like, it's in Taiwanese language and it's supposed to be English. Mahal lang saks, 120. So, asan ang 4A? Hoy, asan na ako, Mare? Parang mawawala ako dito. MRT train. Hala, where is 4A? So I need to check my Google Map. Dito ba? Okay, I'll check my Google Map. Ay nako, akala ko mawawala na ako kanina. So according to the Google Map, it's walking distance from 5 minutes. Going here actually. Then we'll reach our Wolfenho Chorva. Diba? Ayun. Titingnan natin kung ano mabibili natin. So it's still early pa naman. So ayoko na kasi bumili ng gabi. Kasi like, if I'm gonna buy like in the night, it's actually like, kasi parang pagod na ako kasi I need to travel like 6 a.m. Pilipino yata ang mga kabayan. Ayan. So dito ako mag-cross. Ayan guys. So hindi pa ako nakakarating sa location. Ang dami ng mga ano dito, hilera. Naglalabasan pa lang sila. So ewan ko parang anong oras ba magbubukas. Pero pag ganun pa naman yung location natin, going there. Pero madami ng ano dito, madami na nagbebenta. Nakalabas na yung mga parang Divisoria type, charing. Ito, this cost 90 only. Bibili lang ako ng short. Pasalubong lang, charing. I'm going to buy short and a jacket. I hope it's only like 100 NTD. So, ang palitan pala is 100 NTD is equal to 1.8 Philippine money. Pero sana like andito na yata ako kasi sabi ng Google Map it's turn left. Okay, I'll catch you up later. So, this is the Songshan Market. Songshan, Wolfenho pala. Pero, my gosh, walang bukas. Ayan, ano ba? Wala man bukas, Marvin. Ito yung mga stalls nila, like, yeah, I think so. Wala. My God, gabi yata nabubukas ng mga to eh. Sayang mo oras ko. Charing. Shall I get back in the night? Nandito na ako. Oh. Walang tao. Walang bukas. My God. Pero konti man na bukas. Okay, it's here. We're going to like, maybe we'll stay here until lunch. Diba naman itong mga to. Oh my God, di pag-open ng mga shop. Kaloka. Sorry. I don't know like what time they will open. Maybe usually open at 5 p.m. So see, it's a ghost town. No one is like opening. OMG. Sayang. I think I need to have a breakfast first. Breakfast muna ako or brunch. Magpa-brunch muna ako. Wala talaga. Oh my gosh. Sayang. Okay. Pabush na muna. I'm here in Wolf and Who Clothing Center, but my gosh, wala. It's really like disappointing, but let me check on Google what time they will actually open. So, nagugutom ako. Pumunta kaya, lalakad-lakad na naman ako. Ayan, oh. My gosh, it's actually a ghost town. Oh my gosh, lalo ikot muna ako sa Ximending. So, wala bang mall dito? Actually, I check on the Google. It's open like 1:30 in the afternoon. Kind of bit disappointing. But some shops are open, but I'm going to find a restaurant to have my brunch. So I will be like waiting for 3 hours. Now it's 11. Now it's 11 Taiwan time. So that's actually 2.5 hours waiting. Oh my God. Wala bang mall dito sa Tambayan? Parang Pilas lang ito. Okay, I'll catch you up later. Now I'm finding a restaurant here. Which one is good? Like, or any ATM para makapag-withdraw ako. Okay. Babush muna. Ayan, sumarap na ako, my gosh. So, I'm here in Wuwenfu Fashion area. So, they are starting to, like, opening. Ang dami ng open, oh. So, my gosh, like, nilalamig ako kasi kumain ako ng ice cream and a soft drink. So I'm gonna tour you later on. So I'm gonna show you a little bit what is inside here in Wolf and Who. It's actually like, it's all fashion. So ang daming mga for female. Mura lang siya, actually like 100. Kaso nga, gusto ko maghanap ng banyo. Puro pang babae naman kasi lahat. Ito mga bags. There are no signature bags. No, it's not good. Ayan, so ang dami ng open, guys. So that's 200. So look what I found. I think it's a temple. I don't understand. So let me see you guys. Bawal ba naka-short? Pwede bang pumasok? Naka-short kasi ako. So, nakabili ako ng ano. Nakabili ako nito. Ang ganda. I love it. I bought it only like $250. Ay, ito 100. Ay, 300 lang pala siya. Ayan, oh, they're officially open. Parang hindi maganda yun. Parang maganda. Okay lang siya. Ayan siya. dot-dot. Ay, ito 100. Oh. Maliit kasi. Okay lang yun. Ito. Diba? I can't show you all. Kato mga ito. Yung mga short na bet ko. Gusto lang ako maghanap ng short tsaka jacket. Tsaka mga shorts. Ay, pinako ko ito. Ay, plain lang siya. Ayan. Mamaya na ako mag-video kasi mag-ikot-ikot lang muna. So, itry natin yung binili natin. Sana nga maganda. Ang babae siya actually. Pero gandahan ako. Ay, parang maliit. Ang ganda. Ganda siya actually. Kahit bilik siya, pero okay lang. It's only 250. 250 siya, so converted mo siya ng 1.2. Sige na maganda.